like it? You like it? Just give him one at a time. If you can, if you know what you're doing. Here's some pasta. Oh my. He likes it, doesn't he? He doesn't not like it. Well, it's not so sure. Hold on, kid. Don't rush him. You're such a big boy. You're eating pasta. Oh my God, he likes it. What am I going to do with all that puree? Smoothies. And I could make him popsicles with some of the vegetables he had under the fruit. Oh my God. He likes it. I have more too. I set it off to the side. I just figured it was going to be a fail. Holden's eating pasta. Penne cut up with some tomato sauce. I didn't give him any of the firecracker sauce.